Hey y'all, remember that blizzard I was talking about to you yesterday? Yeah, well look at the damage it's done. Look at that. Got 20 feet. Or, no, 20 feet. 2 feet and 20 inches. 20 inches of snow. And now look, this is just crazy. Surprised our window hasn't collapsed in yet. It's like coming in whole. Look at it up here. And then right here, that high. Wow, it's just crazy. The Blizzard 2011.